Hello, beautiful souls. So I'll let the video for today be a reflections video, for there is a lot to be reflected on. I thank all of you for being present during this experience of training our minds so that we truly can move beyond the suffering and pain of ego into the presence and peace of God. So for the last 4 days or so, we've been on review. Yay. My mind holds only what I think with God as being our main thought and application for the day. And I must say that in the last week, I have dove into some deep leftover lingering thoughts of darkness that the ego has presented my way. And I don't know if I will get into much details of that right here, because I'm certainly in the phase of receiving that correction. So to go back and relive and rehash the story is almost unnecessary. But if you felt you were curious and wanted to take a peek, then I did do a video called Ego Trips. That was one of our Google Hangout talks last week that might be helpful in that regard. But what I wanted to share with today is to ensure all of you that I'm still on par with doing the A Course in Miracles lessons. And yet a big shift has taken place in my life. I know I had mentioned to all of you a few weeks back, maybe even a few months now, that we had been given word that we were moving. And so finally that has kind of uplifted, and we are ready to move out of here in July 1st. But before even that happens, it has seemed that the opportunity to go on vacation has arose from our two beautiful friends, the Nevins. Thank you, beautiful souls, for extending your hand to us to stay with you. So I'll be away at the cottage for 2 weeks and enjoying the sunshine and the presence of our Father inwardly, and extending it outside of myself in every way possible, and focusing on finishing up our projects so we can share them with all you guys. And so with that being said, I have no idea when I will be uploading the videos, but I will still be making a video daily and sharing them and uploading them when I can. I asked Jesus for further understanding as to, what my part is with these videos, and if I should continue forward. And basically what was given me was the answer that it is not a race, that I'm here extending the laws of God, and the laws of God surpass time and space and what this world would call a typical 365-day year. That yes, the lessons will be sat with and experienced daily and applied daily, and I'll make a video daily. But I was also instructed that if I am inspired to stay with a particular lesson that is pertaining to my life experience at that time, then to do so. That there really is no race, and we can just take it at a leisurely pace and enjoy it. So I just want to let you all know that it'll be more so inspired, that when I have the time and the internet connection is available, I'll make the videos, and so they'll be like little nuggets that show up in your email when they're intended to be there. And so I look forward to everything that is coming forward from here on out. It seems like we have, at least for me anyway, there's been a gigantic veil that has been lifted. I have truly purged my own personal identification with all the projects that we're doing, and undone any last idea of personal gain with God's will, and accepting God's will for myself. And so because of that, we've literally just been catapulted truly catapulted into this divine orchestration that has now allowed us to kind of rest in the space of trust and not knowing where we're going next. After these 2 weeks at the cottage, we don't know where we're going. We don't know where we're going to be staying. We don't know where we're going to be living. We don't know where anything's going to be coming from, including, money-wise, or people that we're going to be staying with. And so it is all in God's hands. And that is truly when things are spontaneous, and that is when even more miracles can happen and transpire. And we're just looking forward to where we're going to go and where we're going to be and who we're going to talk to and what's going to happen. But I truly feel this absolute definite speed up, celestial speed up, that's taken place. So I wanted to just extend what is going on in my current world over here so that we're all on the same page, because I know we're doing this together, you know, doing the course together and awakening together and healing our minds together. And I wanted to say I've been here doing my part in my inner world. So it's still another few days until the review is over, and so the last video that was made was almost like a meditation, and so we'll see what is next to come. And so with that being said, I think that's it to catch up, everybody. So thank you for this beautiful time, May 26, 2013, for us truly joining together and experiencing God's love, and knowing that we are in the kingdom of heaven always, and we've never left, and we can never leave, and to allow this voice of littleness to be exempt from our mind, so we truly can just rest in the one mind. And that is where we know that our mind holds only what we think with God, and it's beautiful and it's exciting. And I'm so grateful for it. So we'll be sure to keep everybody posted with what's going on. And so enjoy the beautiful day and everything else that is to take place. And God bless you all. Bye.